Hello everyone, my name is Özlem. Welcome to my presentation. Today I will talk about oscilloscope. What is oscilloscope? Do you have any idea? An oscilloscope is a measuring device that allows us to see time-dependent changes in electrical voltage. And the oscilloscope presents the variation of voltage with time in an easier to understand biaxial graph. The oscilloscope was invented by the American Edwin Howard Armstrong, an electrical electronics engineer. The first oscilloscope is known to be analog and was invented in 1914. Now I am going to move on what measures of oscilloscope. The oscilloscope is indispensable for electrical and electronics engineers because they need it when building circuits. It measures the values you see here on the oscilloscope: AC/DC voltages, AC/DC indirect currents, period and frequency, comparison of multiple signals, and component test. This is a quote about oscilloscope. George Gilder says, "In order to understand the movement of prices, you need not an oscilloscope to measure the entire market and reduce it to noise, but a microscope to investigate the creative process behind every company and its price." Oscilloscopes are two types, digital and analog. Although analog oscilloscopes are not preferred today, they work just like old tube televisions. Digital oscilloscopes, on the other hand, work with the principle of sampling the signal from the input thanks to high-speed microprocessors. How can we use oscilloscope? Let's talk about it. The oscilloscope is connected in parallel to the circuit. Different types of oscilloscope probes are available for connected oscilloscopes to the circuits. Let's continue with advantages. These advantages are: the input impedance is high. It measures voltages in the wide frequency band with the same precision. It displays the voltage value regardless of waveform. And finally, indicates the maximum value of the voltage to be measured. Let's move on disadvantages. Oscilloscope has some disadvantages. These are: it requires good calibration. A read error can occur. Here is my reference. You can reach the information in the presentation. Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question, you can send to my email. Goodbye.